Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want to become a data analyst or even move into data science or AI, this video will give you a complete roadmap from beginner to advanced. We cover everything step by step from understanding data to Excel, programming, visualization, machine learning, and even deep learning. Let's get started. Number 1. Concept of data. Before you might understand what data actually is. Data analysis starts with 4 key steps. Collection, mean gathering raw data. Cleanup, mean fixing messy data. Visualization, mean presenting insight. And statistical analysis, mean finding meaning. Think of data as raw material. Your job is to turn it into useful insight. Example, a company collects sales data. You clean it up, and then visualize trend. After that, analyze why sales increase or drop. Number 2, analysis with Excel. Excel is one of the most important tools for beginners. Start with functions like if for logical decision, that if for data calculations, VLOOKUP or lookup for data searching, replace or substitute for text cleaning. Also learn pivot table, chart, and conditional formatting. Excel is powerful and widely used in a real job, so it's better to prepare for your future job. Number 3, learn programming. To go beyond Excel, you need programming. Focus on Actual for querying database, Python for data visualizations and analysis, or for statistical computing. In Python, learn library like pandas for data manipulations and NumPy for numerical operation. So, Actual plus Python is the most common combos in industry. Number 4, data collection. Now let's talk about where data come from. Sources include databases, CSV files, APIs, and web scraping. Example, you can collect data from a website using Python or pull data from an API. Understanding data sources is critical because bad data lead to bad insight. Number 5, data cleanup. Real-world data is messy. You must learn handling machine data, removing duplicates, finding outliers, and data transformation. In reality, analysis spends 20% of time cleaning data. Example, fixing inconsistent names like USA, U.S.A, and United States. Number 6, data visualizations. Now we turn data into visual tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Learn type like bar chart, line chart, pie chart, and histogram. Good visualization equals better decision making. Always ask, what story does this chart tell? Number 7, statistical analysis. This is where you extract deeper insight. Key concepts include hypothesis testing, correlations, and regressions. Example, does more advertising increase sales? Use regressions to find the relationship. Statistics help you make data-driven decisions instead of guessing. Number 8, machine learning. Now we move into predictive analysis. There are several types, include supervised learning, means lab data, unsupervised learning, mean hidden patterns, and reinforcement learning, mean decision making. Example, predicting house prices. Machine learning turns data into prediction. Number 9, big data technology. When data becomes huge, you need big data tools. Learn big data concept, storage solutions, and frameworks like Hadoop and Spark. Also understand parallel processing and map reuse. This tool handles massive dataset efficiently. Number 10. Deep learning. Deep learning is an advanced part of AI. Topics include neural networks, CNN for image recognitions, ONN for sequence data, and NLP for language processing. Mostly used in face recognition, chatbot, and voice assistant. Number 11. Framework. To implement deep learning, use frameworks like TensorFlow and Python. These tools have built and trained AI models efficiently. So that's your complete data analysis roadmap. Start simple, from Excel to Actual to Python to visualization to statistic and then machine learning. Don't rush, practice consistently and work on your real dataset. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, data is powerful, but only if you know how to use it. See you in the next video.